The probability distribution for a discrete random variable x is shown. So we've got x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The probability that x is equal to x is 0.01k, 0.1k, 0.4k, 0.5k, and 0.39k. It says calculate the value of the constant, calculate the probability that x is less than 3, describe the shape of the distribution. Okay, so first of all, we're going to try and find k. Now, for a discrete random variable, the sum of all the probabilities is equal to 1. So if we add all these probabilities up, so 0.01k plus 0.1k plus 0.4k plus 0.5k plus 0.39k is going to be equal to 1. So if we now add these numbers up, it will give me an answer as a fraction of 7 over 5k is equal to 1. And therefore, rearranging that, we're going to get that k is going to be 5 over 7. For b, we want the probability that x is less than 3, so that's going to be taking on values of 0, 1, and 2, but not 3, because we want less than 3. So, the probability that x is less than 3 is going to be the probability that x is less than or equal to 2. So, it's going to be 0.01 times my value of k, which I've calculated here, plus 0.1 times my value of k, plus 0.4 times my value of k, and if I work that out on my calculator, that will give me 51 over 140. What is the shape of the distribution? Well, if we look at just looking at it, we can see that these numbers here are going to be very low, so it's going to look something like that, although they're discrete bars. At this end, they're going to be very, very small. And if they're small on the negative side, we can say that the distribution is negatively skewed. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to calculate a constant for a discrete random variable, and then use the table to calculate probabilities and determine the shape of the distribution. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.